The James Webb Space Telescope was launched with a simple mission: to look deeper into the cosmos than any instrument before it, to capture the faint glow of the first stars, and to unlock the story of creation itself. But instead of confirming what we thought we knew, Webb has delivered something far more unsettling. Its observations are so disruptive that some of the world's most respected physicists are whispering a chilling possibility: this reality may not even belong to us. It began with what seemed ordinary enough: a faint golden smear of light in the background of the sky. To the untrained eye, it looked like any distant galaxy. But when Webb's powerful instruments revealed its age, everything broke down. This wasn't just any galaxy. It existed a mere 290 million years after the supposed birth of the universe. By our understanding of physics, such a massive and luminous structure shouldn't exist that early. There shouldn't have been enough matter, energy, or time. And yet, it was there, bright, organized, and impossibly real. Even stranger, Webb didn't find just one. It found dozens. Each of them rewriting the first chapters of cosmic history. The further scientists probed, the more bizarre the discoveries became. A few galaxies weren't simply massive, they were total anomalies. Unlike normal galaxies, which convert only a fraction of their matter into stars, these strange structures had burned through everything, leaving no gas or dust behind. Entire galaxies made only of starlight, blazing in defiance of every theory we have. And so a terrifying question emerged: what if they aren't galaxies at all? What if Webb is capturing the fingerprints of something that doesn't belong to our universe? Structures from another dimension, echoes from a prior cosmos, or intrusions from a parallel reality? To understand why this shakes the foundations of science, we need to step back and consider the boundary of our universe itself. Cosmologists call it the Hubble horizon, the distance beyond which galaxies recede faster than light because space itself is expanding. Logic says we shouldn't see beyond that line. But Webb is detecting signals that suggest otherwise: light arriving from impossible distances, light that should never have reached us. Which means one of two things is true. Either our models of space and time are deeply flawed, or we are seeing beyond the edge of our universe into something else entirely. Then came an even stranger revelation. Hidden in Webb's background data was a faint rhythm, a pulse. Not from pulsars, not from black holes, not from gravitational waves. It was something new. A perfectly repeating oscillation, mathematical in its precision, unlike any known natural phenomenon. Some call it the heartbeat beyond time. Others whisper it could be a coded signal, etched into the very fabric of reality, an artifact of physics we don't yet understand, or perhaps something deliberately placed there. And still, the mysteries deepen. Webb found massive distortions in spacetime, gravitational fingerprints of something invisible pressing down on the cosmos. These weren't ordinary dark matter halos. They were far stranger, appearing in regions with no visible matter at all. They acted like shadows of something colossal just out of reach. Could they be the gravitational imprints of another universe brushing against ours? Some theories once dismissed as fantasy are now creeping back into serious discussion. A mirrored universe. A place where time runs backward, where the laws of physics unravel in reverse. Webb's data has revealed asymmetric rotations and particle behaviors that don't belong to our cosmos alone, as if two universes are tugging at one another, overlapping in ways we barely recognize. And then came the most chilling clue of all. One of Webb's instruments tracked a faint light at the edge of the observable universe. Astronomers expected it to fade, vanish forever. Instead, it returned. But not from the same place, not from the same time. It came back with the same fingerprint, as though the universe itself had echoed it back. What could reflect light at the very edge of everything? A cosmic mirror? A wall of reality? Or something that proves space is not infinite but closed, curved back upon itself? The James Webb Space Telescope was supposed to show us how the universe began. Instead, it may have revealed that our universe is not what we thought it was at all. Impossible galaxies. Phantom masses. A pulse hidden in the dark. A mirror universe pulling against our own. A cosmic echo that should not exist. Piece by piece, the illusion of certainty is crumbling. One Nobel laureate put it bluntly. This is not our universe, and maybe he's right. Maybe what we call reality is only a fragment, drifting on the edge of something older, vaster, and more indifferent than we ever imagined. Perhaps our cosmos is not the beginning, but a boundary. Perhaps we are staring into a deeper structure, one where universes bleed together, and where ours is just a single thread in an endless weave. So the question is no longer whether we are alone in the universe. The real question is, are we even in the right one?